Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 6, impeccable. 413 new stars today. AI coding agents default to generic Sass aesthetics, interfont, purple gradients, card-in-card layouts because they're trained on the same templates. Impeccable gives them a design vocabulary and context so your front end looks like your brand, not a cookie-cutter demo. Its 60 deterministic detector rules run without an LLM, letting you audit and enforce design quality without API costs, while the 23 commands, like polish, audit, boulder, turn vague design feedback into repeatable AI actions. Install it with npx impeccable install and run impeccable init to generate a design system your AI agent actually follows, so you can ship distinctive UIs without a dedicated designer. Number 5, Chat2DB. 398 new stars today. Chat2DB is a free cross-platform SQL client that replaces expensive database IDEs by combining a full-featured workspace with an AI assistant you connect to your own model so you can generate, explain, and optimize queries in natural language without leaving your tool. It solves the daily friction of context switching between SQL editors, AI chatbots, and database management by unifying them into a single desktop application that works with over 30 databases and keeps your data local. Unlike cloud-only AI SQL tools, Chat2DB runs entirely on your machine, supports bring your own model for privacy and cost control, and includes a CLI with MCP support for automation, making it a compelling alternative to paid tools like DataGrip. Number 4, Node. 36 new stars today. Node.js is the runtime that lets you run JavaScript outside the browser, solving the problem of building fast, scalable network servers with a single language across the stack. Its event-driven, non-blocking I/O model makes it uniquely efficient for handling thousands of concurrent connections, and it ships with a vast standard library and access to over 1 million packages via NPM. Exploring this repository gives you direct insight into the core of the platform that powers everything from small CLI tools to enterprise backends, and contributing here shapes the future of server-side JavaScript. Number 3, superfile. 131 new stars today. Developers who spend most of their time in the terminal can finally manage files with speed and visual clarity using a single cross-platform binary. Superfile eliminates the friction of switching to a GUI file manager by providing a modern, keyboard-driven interface that handles bulk operations, file previews, and navigation directly in your shell. Its Go-based architecture, plugin support, and customizable themes make it a compelling alternative to slower, less extensible legacy tools, offering a consistent experience across macOS, Linux, and Windows. Number 2, Instatic. 888 new stars today. Instatic replaces the tangle of a headless CMS, static site generator, hosting, and form services with a single self-hosted bun server that gives you a visual editor and outputs clean, framework-free static pages. It solves the real problem of recurring SaaS bills and vendor lock-in for content sites that don't need a dynamic runtime, letting you own your data and your deployment. The entire stack editor, auth, media, plugins, and publisher runs in one TypeScript codebase backed by SQLite or Postgres, and you can deploy it on Railway in minutes to see how it eliminates the usual build step complexity. Number 1, T3 Code, 149 new stars today. T3 Code gives you a single local web interface to interact with multiple AI coding agents like Codex, Claude, Cursor, and OpenCode, so you don't have to juggle separate CLIs or IDE plugins. It solves the real friction of context switching between different agent tools when you're prototyping, debugging, or exploring code with AI assistants. The project is technically interesting because it's a minimal TypeScript desktop app built on Vite Plus that runs instantly via NPX, offering a lightweight, extensible foundation for a unified agent workflow without locking you into a single provider.